So the open data movement really describes a movement for governments to open up the data that basically the public funds and ultimately owns back to the public in a particular format, in an open access and machine readable format. So what that means is that that data is available for people to basically analyze and produce new analyses or new kinds of reporting on what is actually happening. It's also, in a machine-readable format, it also provides an opportunity for web developers, whether they're public sector, or social sector, or private sector, to take that data and create new applications, create new services. So, for example, one of the examples that's often given is around potholes. So in the city, there's lots of potholes. And, how quickly do they get fixed? How quickly are they reported so that they can get fixed? And so in the city of Toronto and other cities, there's a 311 service. You dial 311 and you can call in and they'll, yes, there's a pothole and that needs to be resolved. So that's a big advance using the telephone, very simple technology. So the 311, Open 311 and Open Data Movement would say, give us access to that data and also access to give you back data. And we will create an iPhone application where I can go with my iPhone and have a GPS location and a picture and say, this is the pothole. It is exactly here in this exact location. And I'm going to send it to you via my iPhone back into your 311 system. You can create a ticket to make that pothole fixed. I'll get notification that it's been fixed. Maybe I'll get points or some sort of reward for reporting things like that. So open data enables developers out in the community to build those kinds of applications that governments don't have the funding, the budget, the capabilities, the technological capacity to build all of these applications on all these different devices. And that's just one example. So it's a way of really getting data out into much more useful forms for regular people, but it's going to be developers that are going to be turning the raw data into something useful for a regular citizen.
Thanks a lot, Mark.